Hey all you lovely people out there, I am Shreya and welcome to a new video on my channel, Shreya's Corner. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you my overall experience regarding an Instagram page, KK Store. I bought few jewelry pieces from them, but before showing them to you, I want to discuss some important points regarding the store so that it will help you to decide whether you want to purchase from them or not. I have written all the important points in this diary and will going to refer to these points as and when required. So please don't mind if you see me looking down to refer to those points. First, I am going to discuss about delivery. So they have partnered with FedEx and E-Cart to deliver their orders, and the delivery partners are currently providing standard delivery only, which will take around 6 to 7 working days to deliver the orders. But the delivery partners are also providing delivery on weekend services as well, which will be a great benefit for us. Then, once your order is dispatched, you will receive an auto-generated mail from the store mentioning the tracking ID and other relevant information regarding your order in that mail. So check your inbox for the same, and if you don't find it there, check the junk or spam folder as it is an auto-generated mail. You will be able to track your order with the help of the tracking ID that they have provided. They will also provide your mobile number to their delivery partners so that you will get updates regarding your order in your mobile phone as well. Now let's move on to payment related information. Firstly, in their website, they have mentioned that they are using SSL encryption to protect all the customer information. Then they have also mentioned that all their product prices are including GST. Finally, the credit cards that are currently accepted in their website are MasterCard, Visa, Maestro and Visa debit card. For order related information, they have specifically mentioned their email address as well as phone number so that you can easily reach out to them in case of any issue such as changing personal details or any order related query. For return and refunds, they have clearly mentioned that they are currently following no return, no cancellation policy. Your products will only be exchanged in case you have received a damaged product or you have received a different product altogether. In such a case, an opening video is a must. In case you are facing such issue, you should contact their customer care as soon as possible. Finally, I would suggest you to go and check their website's FAQ section to have a lot more information. With that, we have completed the informative and boring part of the video. Now, let's move on to the interesting part and see what all I have bought from this website. These first pair of pearl earrings are unique and versatile. These pair of black polished earrings are perfect for regular use. These black stud earrings are another unique pair and can be teamed up with Indian as well as Western wears. I can't wait to style these gorgeous pair of multicolored earrings with my festive Indian wears. These are another pair of golden ethnic earrings having kundan and pearl work all over it. These last pair of bright red colored jhumkas are very gorgeous and can amp up any outfit. Now let's discuss my overall experience with this website. This is a very user-friendly and easy to navigate website. They offer quite a lot of variety and I love all the products that I have bought from this website. I found some unique pieces from their website as well, so I would love to buy from them in future. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, do comment below if you have any query regarding this store. If you like similar content, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.